Hey y'all, it's SheRea. What's up? This video is twofold. I wanted to show you a wash routine that prepped my hair to retain moisture for 2 whole weeks, while also showing how my hair care steps come together for a full and complete wash day. I know my routine may seem extra and long-winded because, well, it is, but the glorious inches have been worth it on my fine, breakage-prone hair. So let's get into it. And while you're here, hi, hello. I would love it if you gave this video a thumbs up. It really does help my channel out. I appreciate you in advance, and I hope that the gems that I will share today will inspire you to subscribe. If you've been on my channel, you already know I start my wash day with a pre-poo. Every time I skip this step, I always regret it. So I do make it a habit to always go in with a pre-poo. I start my pre-poo process by wetting down my hair. You can use any liquid of your choice, but I like using rice water. And I also have a detailed video on how I pre-poo, what the heck is a pre-poo, why it's important to pre-poo. I do recommend that you check that video out. And I do press the rice water into my hair because it helps my low porosity hair absorb the rice water. Then I go in with my actual pre-poo and I do the Birdman hand rub just to warm up the product. I am going in with my fenugreek and aloe pre-poo. For those of you who are not into DIYs, don't worry, I will link some commercial alternatives down below because I know everyone don't like to DIY, so I got you. I do love this pre-poo in particular because it has so much slip. I think it's easy to make, but I like doing DIYs. I like pre-pooing before I go in with my washing step because I like to pre-detangle before I get into the shower. I just find that I lose a lot less hair. I incur a lot less breakage because I detangle my hair outside the shower. Yes, it is an extra step, and yes, it can be annoying, but I find it to be super worth it, and I recommend everyone do it. Like, just look at my curls. Look how nice and juicy my hair looks. Wash day should be a time to relax, to do some self-care, and get that booty crack length popping. I then braid my hair up in 2 sections, put on a plastic cap, and I let my pre-poo sit overnight. That is the game changer. Let that pre-poo sit overnight, honey. This is the next day, and I'm rinsing out my pre-poo. Look how nice and conditioned my hair looks, even before I go in with a conditioner, a deep conditioner, my moisturizers, and leave-ins. And that's how I'm able to have moisture last for 2 weeks in my hair because I set the precedence with an amazing pre-poo. I'm not just talking, y'all. It truly works. Like, come on, curls. Come on, moisture. Ow! Now I split my hair into 4 sections and I work in 4 sections in the shower, always starting in the back, and I wet my hair down with warm water. I use warm water throughout this entire process. It's just best for my low porosity hair. Then I'm going in with my COWASH. I'm going in with the As I Am JBCO COWASH, which is one of my favorites. It comes in a very childish jar, so I do prefer to put it into a bottle because it's just much easier to use and apply. Out of all the As I Am COWASHes, this is the only one I recommend, and this is the only one I truly love. It is my favorite. It is so good. It's affordable. It's incredible. I love it so much. It cleans my hair while also keeping my hair nice and soft, and that's always the goal. I don't want dirty, stank hair, but I also don't want my hair to feel like hay, and that's why I prefer co-washing. I know co-washing ain't for everybody. I'm not going to convince nobody to co-wash, but co-washing is the hill I am willing to die on. I stand for co-washing. You apply a co-wash just like you do conditioner. I rub it throughout my hair, and most co-washes I'm able to tangle with them. This one is no exception. I like going through and further detangling my hair. I like keeping my hair detangled throughout my wash day process. That is what keeps me retaining length. That is what keeps my hair from breaking off. The most important step of co-washing is making sure I go in at my scalp and I'm rubbing my scalp to get the dirt and grime out of my hair. I am not using my nails. I'm not in favor of Land Kinging the scalp, so please don't do that, boo-boo. Don't do that. but I like using the pads of my fingers to rub my scalp. Then I twist my hair up and I move on to the next section. Now look what I'm doing. I'm pulling my hair at the ends. I'm using my other hand at the scalp. This helps to keep my hair nice and stretched. Pull the ends and hit the scalp. That is what I do. I don't do this. Do not do that. This is not Herbal Essences commercial. This is not Tresemme. This is a kinky, curly, coily wash day. I don't know what you do in your household, but for me and mine, we don't do that mess. After co-washing all 4 sections, I rinse my hair out. Again, I am using warm water. I do not use cold water. Self-love is using warm water. Self-love is using warm water. Just look at the shine of my hair. Just look at the health of my hair. I haven't even gone in with the deep conditioner yet. I'm already achieving levels of moisture. I split my hair back into 4 sections and it's time for the condition step. And I am going in with my oat conditioner. I do have a video on this dollar DIY conditioner. Literally in my previous video, you can check it out. I usually don't go in with a rinse out conditioner, but I had a feeling that I wasn't going to wash my hair for a while. I just kind of knew I was going to be busy, so I wanted to go in with a lot of moisture. So I am going in with this oat conditioner. I know some of y'all are not into DIY, so I will link some of my favorite cheapy rinse out conditioners. My rinse out conditioners are always cheap because they go right down the drain, so I don't like spending a lot of money on them. I just smooth the conditioner on, again keeping my hair nice and stretched, always finger detangling my hair. I do not use tools on my hair, I only use my fingers. This is also why I've been able to retain so much length, because I'm not breaking my hair with combs and brushes. I know finger detangling takes time and I know it takes patience. But this is one of the things that I attribute to long hair, literally just using my fingers. I let that conditioner sit while I did my dew in the shower, and this is what my hair looks like. Again, the moisture. The moisture. I don't know how many times I'm going to say moisture in this video, but bruh, the moisture. Literally the moisture. And then I braid my hair up in 2 sections and I air dry my hair under my t-shirt towel for about 30 minutes to an hour. And then it's time to deep condition. This is about 30 minutes later and it is time to deep condition my hair. And this is what my hair looks like. It already looks good, like I've already deep conditioned. And again, that's the point. You want your hair to look good from beginning to end. That's how you keep your hair popping. I am going in with another DIY. I do have a video on this deep conditioner. This was not supposed to be a DIY wash day, but I'm becoming such a DIY girl. So, surprise, another DIY. With my deep conditioners and with any product in particular, I like focusing the product at the roots and at the ends. And I'm really just blown away by my hair and how much my hair has grown and thickened and darkened over the last year. It's really incredible what my hair has done and I'm so proud of me. After applying my deep conditioner, yes, it is messy, but it's totally worth it. And my hair is really just thriving with this routine. Then I sit under my steamer for 40 minutes. I will link my steamer down below. And I allow the deep conditioner to really get into my hair. After 40 minutes, I'm rinsing out the deep conditioner and I'm using what? Warm water. This treatment was a bit difficult to rinse out more than my other treatments, but it was still bomb. And to get all the bits and stuff out of my hair, I did go in with a commercial conditioner. This is the one I highly recommend. It will be linked down below. I like doing this process to get all the herbs and stuff out of my hair, but I also like doing it to make sure that the last step in my routine is a moisture-based step. A lot of DIY conditioners can be a bit strengthening, especially if you use Ayurvedic herbs like I do. I like going in with a commercial rinse-out conditioner, something cheapy, just to help me get a bit of moisture back into my hair before I go in with my leave-in and my other moisturizers and stuff. After I do this process in all 4 sections, it's time to rinse my hair out. And y'all, my hair feels amazing. This was such a good wash day routine, and I highly recommend y'all try these steps out. It's tried and true, y'all. It definitely works for me, and I will sing the praises of this wash day routine forever. It is 2 weeks later, and my hair still feels bomb, okay? Let me know, though, what is your perfect winter routine? What does your winter routine look like? What does your moisture-rich routine look like? I would love to know down below. Let's dialogue as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much and take care.